Since my last setup video, I've been asked quite a bit about my gaming keyboard that I use, so I figured I'd take some time to give it a proper review. What is up guys, my name is Adam Enriquez and this is my Royal Kludge RK61 review. The RK61 is a 60% wireless RGB mechanical keyboard. It's about $65 US on Amazon and comes in two different color choices of white or black and three different switch variations being the choice of gateron red, blue, or brown switches. The version I have here is white and rocking the gateron brown switches. The keyboard uses USB Type-C, which is great, and comes with a basic USB-C cable along with a keycap puller. The keyboard can also connect wirelessly to up to 3 devices using Bluetooth 3.0, allowing for easy transferring back and forth from device to device using the FN and Q, W, or E keys as device 1, 2, or 3 respectively. The keyboard sits at an 8-degree angle and doesn't have any built-in retractable legs for adjustment, just the pads on the bottom to help with sliding, and they seem to work pretty well. In wireless mode, you can expect a battery life of 6.5 to 7.5 hours or so with continuous use, and since the keyboard does go to sleep automatically, it can last about 2 days with intermittent use. Moving on to build quality, I have to say that even though it's made of plastic, the keyboard's build quality is actually solid too and feels really good and sturdy. The RGB on the keyboard is really bright, vibrant, and has over 18 different lighting effects, giving you tons of options for RGB lighting patterns, speed, and colors. I will say there is some software out there for this keyboard, but I haven't used it at all, so I didn't feel it appropriate for me to comment on the software or its usability. The keyboard also uses cherry stem switches, so you can throw on a custom keycap set that makes it look even cooler, giving it those custom keyboard vibes like these pudding keycaps here from HyperX. I honestly can't say I have anything I really dislike about the keyboard. Maybe they could have shipped it with a braided USB Type-C cable instead of a basic cable that they give you, but again, for the price it's hard to complain. Okay guys, so to wrap it all up, I really like this board for its RGB capabilities, switch choices, fast and reliable Bluetooth connection, and the price point it comes in at. The Bluetooth is solid and reliable and allows you to switch back and forth from device to device seamlessly. The RGB is bright and vibrant and has tons of choices for customizability. And lastly, I have a choice in either brown, red, or blue switches when I buy this. Overall, this is an excellent mechanical keyboard option from RK Gaming and one that I can easily recommend to anybody looking for a wireless RGB 60% mechanical keyboard for their setup. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Look forward to more videos like this as I have recently become absolutely addicted with mechanical keyboards. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.